Do you have access to a good Greek Feta cheese? Or better yet, you don't have access to a good one? I'll show you a recipe how to transform it and create a delicious appetizer. For that, we will use a clay pot. Alternatively, you can also use a Pyrex. We add first some olive oil all around, about like a tablespoon or so. In this, we will put some spoons of nice, fine chopped tomatoes. And on top of that, a little bit of green pepper. Okay, just stir it up so it goes everywhere, like that. Then we add 200 grams of some feta that we have, whatever you have available. And we add again some olive oil.
Never be stingy with olive oil in Greece.
No, we have ample amount. The rest of your tomatoes here, the chopped pepper. So actually it will fill up the bowl as you see. That's beautiful. And then on top, we sprinkle some sea salt. Not so much because feta normally is salty anyway. Freshly ground pepper. And some nice aromatic oregano. There it is. Now we cover it with a foil because we don't want it to burn. And we will put it in the oven to bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's already preheated at 200 degrees.
We're using our wood-fired oven because it's already roaring hot.
Let's have a look how we are doing. Ooh. Let me open a little bit the foil. That smells so good. It's cooking, but it's not ready yet. The veggies, I would say they need a bit more. I want to add a little bit of olive oil, and then we can leave it now uncovered so they can grill also the vegetables on top and get a better color. Back in the oven, let's say another 5 to 10 minutes. We will see. We will monitor the color. Everything is cooked through. Let's take it out. Ooh, perfect. And look now the color and the veggies are properly grilled. We will cover it up a little bit now with a foil to let it rest before we taste it. Ready to taste it?
Absolutely, and that's best done with our perfect Pan de Cristal.
That's where Greece meets Spain.
Exactly, and there's a link down below how to make that bread actually.
Oh la la. Look.
That looks good.
It's amazing. The feta cheese gets so much more flavor after that.
The oil, the spices, with the pepper, the tomato is really good. This is a perfect meze and an excellent appetizer.
Greek meze, the best.
Give it a try.